Alicia, how are you?
Hi, Shanna. I'm well. How are you?
I'm good. It's good to see you.
You too.
So much is happening. Things are moving fast. We're already at the holiday time of year. It's great.
I know. I can't believe it. This year has just flown by.
I know.
Pretty soon, people will be getting ready for holiday parties and family photos.
They already are. They're
Yeah.
already coming in and telling me they've got photos lined up. My daughter just got engaged, so I am
Oh,
the mother of five.
congratulations.
I
Oh,
got to
that's
work on all
exciting.
my own stuff too. I'm my
Yeah.
own patient.
Yes. Well, man, you're a lucky patient to have be in such great hands.
So speaking of that, speaking of getting your skin ready, I wanted to talk to our patients about the wonderful retinols from Zeo Skin Health. I know that you guys are known for your retinols, your retinoid ingredients. And so I
Mhm.
wanted to share with our patients all the great things we know and love and how they can help our patients as they
Yeah.
prepare for whatever fun events are coming up in their life. And this time of year in particular, our patients are really wanting to undo some of the damage that's happened over the last several months playing outside and doing the fun
Mhm.
things we do here in
Yeah.
Colorado. Um,
Yes.
and I
Now
know,
that it's dark at 2 p.m., it's a great time to use an ingredient like retinol that can photosensitize the skin. I don't know about you guys, but the minute that the sun drops behind the mountains at, 1:30 p.m., I go ahead and change into my pajamas. I wash my face, I curl up under a blanket. So why not do your skincare routine a little earlier in the evening and incorporate some retinol? Our company is known for our aggressive retinols. We recommend anyone over age 30 should be using a high potency retinol. So that would be something 0.5% or higher. And there's a lot of reason for that. So around age 30 is when our skin kind of starts to slow down producing collagen, which is the primary component in the skin that keeps it firm and tight and that prevents wrinkles. So the best thing that we can do is to use an ingredient like a retinol that's going to stimulate that production of collagen. So if you start at age 30, that production never dips, it stays steady, and you can help to prevent most of that aging.
so
So,
important.
yes, yes.
And what
The
about if
other
you're not age 30? What if you start using it in your 40s, 50s?
That's so, when you start using a retinol, think of it like a boot camp. Your skin might be a little sore the way your body would be if you started working out from not having worked out. Your skin might be a little bit red, flaky,
Yeah.
tight, dry. That's perfectly normal. And in fact, that's a sign of repair. That's the sign that the retinol is doing what it needs to do. It's helping to accelerate cell turnover. So that means it's going to be pushing those dead, damaged skin cells off the surface. You're going to see that shedding and flaking. That is what we want to see. So if that happens, don't be discouraged. Just know that that's going to be short-lived. It should be just a few weeks. You want to hang on and get through it. You can use something like our hydrating cream to keep your skin comfortable while you go through that. But once you get through it, that's when the magic really happens. And magic it is. I mean, it's the only ingredient that can truly help to reverse those signs of aging. It can help with hyperpigmentation, sunspots, if that's your issue. If you're coming in to see Shanna for a limelight treatment to help zap some of those spots, retinol is going to be the perfect companion for that treatment, both before and after. So, and acne too. It really will help with a variety of skin conditions. Not all retinols are created equal, and that's one of the things that sets our Zeo Skin Health retinols apart. So the first product I want to show you is our Retinol Skin Brightener. This is going to be primarily for those concerns of sunspots, hyperpigmentation, but it also is anti-aging because that's something that retinol does regardless. And those sunspots are located in the surface of the skin in the epidermis. So the retinol in this product will be delivered to the epidermal layer of the skin. It's a slow controlled release. And it's available in different strengths. So you can, when you consult with Shanna to see what's best for your skin, she might give you a 0.5%, a 1%. So she can really target in on what product is going to be best for your individual skin. If you are thinking about treating your skin with that Limelight IPL, you're going to want to start prepping your skin. Preconditioning is what we call it. Get your skin ready for that service at least 6 weeks ahead of time on a retinol, because then the retinol can go in and really start to clear away some of that superficial pigment and damage, allowing the machine, the IPL, to go a little bit deeper and to really break up what remains. So think about, if we use our analogy of exercise, your retinol is going to be your daily workout that you do on your own. When you go to see Shanna, that's going to be like your more intense session with a personal trainer. So if you're only seeing the personal trainer, your gains aren't going to be the same as if you're working out day to day. So you want to be using that retinol on a daily basis in addition to going in and seeing her for those treatments.
I love that. I'm the personal trainer, everybody.
Yeah, you just got a new title, Shanna. You didn't even realize it.
And then there's another choice we have, Wrinkle and Texture Repair.
This one is a product that is very dear to my heart. This has completely transformed my skin. We are in a committed long-term relationship and we will never break up. So Wrinkle and Texture Repair, the delivery on this one was deeper. The reason that I chose it is because I suffer from adult acne, and that's an issue that's deeper in the skin. Deeper issues would be deep lines and wrinkles. So if you see lines, even when your face is at rest, those are deeper lines. When you see sagging, loss of elasticity, maybe your jawline's not as chiseled as it once was. That's where, unfortunately, that's another issue that I experienced. So that's where Wrinkle and Texture Repair comes in, because this delivers the retinol deeper into the skin, more to the dermal level. So this one is going to be a little bit closer to a prescription strength tretinoin, like a Retin A, Refissa, whatever types of prescription strength retinols you may have been using. Wrinkle and Texture Repair is going to get you closer to that type of effect. Yes, if you're aging, you would consider to be a little bit more advanced, you'll want to reach for the Wrinkle and Texture Repair.
And one of the things I like about when my patients are using retinol, I know I can treat their skin with that IPL technology and they're going to recover well. I know that their skin is stronger and more healthy than someone who hasn't been preconditioned or using those right ingredients. Then I know I'll be able to give them a better treatment. They'll recover well and be super happy with their outcomes.
So going back to our exercise analogy, if you have trained with your day-to-day workout, your retinol, when you have that intense session with Shanna, your personal trainer, you're going to be able to recuperate quicker. Imagine if you were going to run a marathon, but you hadn't trained for that. You would be laid out on the couch for weeks afterwards. And we don't want that. So any type of more invasive treatment or more intense type of treatment that Shanna's going to do for you, if you prep with retinol, you're going to bounce back so much quicker. Your results are going to be more even and improved. So think of retinol as that daily workout.
Awesome. Awesome. Well, I'm excited to know more about Zeo new products. We'll talk about those later.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for your partnership with Aspen Medical Aesthetics. Our event is coming up at the end of the month. It's going to be November 29th through December 3rd. Everybody gets a chance to buy these products and more on a very special price. So they get a chance to stock up and save on all of the Zeo Skin Health products. We love them.
That is excellent. That does not happen often, everyone. So take advantage. We love partnering with Aspen Medical Aesthetics, and specifically Shanna, with you. We've known each other for years, and I'm so happy I get to do these fun events with you from time to time. So thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, Alicia.
Yeah.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.
Bye-bye.